Welcome to the magic world of how things are made. Let's find out. It was a sunny day in the small town of La Frescura. Pepo, a friendly rabbit, decided it was the perfect time to make his famous lemonade. Pepo hopped around his garden looking for the juiciest lemons. When he found 3 large lemons, his little bird friend Tito flew over to offer his help. "Hi, Pepo, can I help?" chirped Tito enthusiastically. "Of course, Tito. We're going to make the best lemonade in town," replied Pepo while showing the lemons. Together, they went into Pepo's small kitchen. He placed the lemons on the table and Tito watched carefully. "First, we need lemon slices," explained Pepo. Tito watched with his bright eyes as Pepo slowly cut the lemons, making sure to be precise. "Now, let's squeeze," said Pepo excitedly. "We'll use this juicer and get all the juice out." Tito, with his small wings, started squeezing the lemons with Pepo. Together, they managed to fill a pitcher with the fresh juice. It smells delicious," commented Tito while wiping his beak. "We're not done yet," smiled Pepo. "We need water and a little bit of sugar to give it flavor." Pepo poured fresh water into the pitcher with the lemon juice. Tito grabbed some sugar from a small jar and carefully poured it in. "Time to stir," exclaimed Pepo. With a large spoon, he began to mix the water, sugar, and juice until everything was combined. Finally, Pepo and Tito sat in the garden with their glasses full of lemonade. "Cheers!" they both said, clinking their glasses. The first sip was incredibly refreshing. It wasn't just lemonade, it was a masterpiece created by 2 friends. Pepo smiled at Tito. "Thanks for your help, friend." Tito returned the gesture with a sweet flutter of his wings. "It's always fun to do things together," replied Tito. From then on, every sunny day, Pepo and Tito made lemonade to enjoy together, sharing laughter and joy in the bright sunshine of La Frescura. Did you like this video? Will you subscribe and give me a big thumbs up? This will help me continue making more stories like this. Thank you, little friend.